Hey guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'll be teaching you how to draw a star because when I was littler I didn't know how to draw a star at all. Someone taught me, so I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. Super easy. And I can't do this type of star. Like, I can't do this type. See, I just make it look kind of bad. So I'm going to teach you guys the way I do it. And it's so easy. So you're going to do one line that's straight, one up, one down, and it kind of looks like a P. One line up like this, and then one like that, and then connect that over. And you see, one line up, and then it's kind of like a P again. I kind of made that one look like a heart. That happens sometimes. But see, you get good at it, and then you go one line like that, one line like this, and then a star again. So I'm going to do it one more time, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like colored in. One line like that, and then, see? Okay, so I can color it in with my app, but you guys have to color it in with your pencils or stuff like that. See, you color it in. It might look a little better for you guys, but if you guys are drawing Christmas trees for Christmas cards, or your friends just like stars, or you just like stars, this is how you should do it. And it just looks like a perfect star. But I am being honest with you guys, I have no idea how to like draw a straight up star without doing all the curves and stuff like this. I don't know how to do this part. Like, I'll show you guys one more time. I'm really bad at doing this one. See? It's not too bad, but yeah. It's not good. Okay, well, this is how I draw stars, and I think it's very fun. And I just wanted to show you guys because I know it's embarrassing sometimes if you don't know how to draw stars. And now you know because I can relate. And these look like good stars now. Because when I was littler, I just used to try to do stars like this. Because I'm like, how do you do stars? That kind of looks good, but it kind of looks like fangs. Well, bye guys. Hope you guys liked it.